first of all, guys, congratulations on the documentary. When I first saw it, it brought a lump through my throat, a tear to my eyes when I watched the trailer. So what inspired you to make this in the first place?
Thanks, Charles. First off, thanks for having us on the show. We appreciate the platform. What first inspired us to make this film are the people, and you saw all of those people in that trailer that you watched. They were robbed in January, just like us. We've been in this from the start, and as things went on, as we watched the mainstream media make fun of, disparage, denigrate these normal, everyday people, we decided that we had to stand up, use our own voice, and tell their stories the best way that we know how, which is filmmaking.
You know, I got to tell you, I was struck by the fact that this movement is so amazing. It breaks through nationalities, it breaks through race, it breaks through age. All of the stuff that, to be quite honest with you, that the elites have always kept us at each other's throats about, that have made us really powerless. How come it's touched so many different people? I mean, talk to the audience about these different types of people from all over that you've met.
Yeah, and if by elite you mean the top moneymakers in the country and the people controlling Wall Street, then I absolutely agree. They've been keeping us divided and separated. And the people that we've met through the journey of beginning to start production on this film, they're extremely diverse. It's not right versus left. This is up versus down. These are people from Senegal. These are people from Europe, people from Delaware, Oregon. They're from all over the place. And a big thing that they're trying to get across is that they have not been given a fair shake, and they want a chance to make their lives better and to have a real say in Wall Street and our financial markets. I mean, these normal people are doing nothing more than buying and holding a stock in a company that they believe in to make their world a little bit better, and we don't think there's anything wrong with that.
Hey, how amazing is that, right? You're told, investing 101, buy and hold a stock. You buy and hold it, you're being called dumb, you're being denigrated, you're being beaten up. And by the way, the people that do this to you, they come on TV every other week and they've got something new. They say, you're gamifying the market? No. They tell you what the winners and losers are 10 minutes into the session, but you're the bad guy. This is what pisses me off. Now, give you an example. Article on Bloomberg over the weekend. I want to give you the title of it. Catching rides on meme mafia trades. God, I mean, it's just they never stop taking shots at this community. Doesn't embolden the community.
Absolutely. If they want to talk about mafia and organized crime, they can look in a mirror. We have been absolutely amazed, astounded by the pathetic nature that so many news networks and media companies have been portraying us. Any investor would tell you that the best thing you got to do is not fear the dips, trust your due diligence, and if nothing's changed in your fundamentals, you hang on. You know, GameStop, for instance, like we're long on that stock. That company is full of Amazon execs. It isn't going anywhere, but the articles still say, forget GameStop. What's the next Reddit stock? This is not a Reddit movement anymore. This has moved beyond that. These are normal people that love their stocks like AMC and GameStop. And they'll keep holding it as long as they continue to believe in their fundamentals. This is basic investing.
Do you see this movement growing stronger, and what's next for the Mulligan brothers?
Next for us is to get on the road and capture these stories. We're crowdfunding right now, and what you can do is go to apetogetherstrong.com, and if you're sick of being stepped on, lied about, lied to, denigrated, as you said, please support the film, and we are here to tell your story, all of you out there who've been put down by the financial system that we've found ourselves in. There's no leaders in this. These are normal people just wanting a better life, and they deserve better than the media has given them.
I agree. Finley, Quinn, thank you both very much. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. Appreciate it. Thank you. It's an honor to have you on the show.